Yo, what's going on, guys? Let's get back in. Today we got a brand new video. This time something completely different. We're gonna be tracking my investments and how much money I make for the whole week. I'm just interested in seeing what this could do, and I think it could be fun to kind of see the amount of money that is either made or spent and see what happens at the end of the week. So basically I'm going to be counting my stocks, investment, like crypto. We're gonna count all that and see where we're left off at the end of the week. So it's gonna be every day. I'm gonna be checking in on the stocks, crypto, and see where the market is, see if I've made money or lost money that day, and go from there. So right now, on the stock market, I was up $118 when I checked it earlier. I just checked it again, and it is now only up $94, so we went down a little bit. But crypto is $16 right now that we're up. So we got 94 in stocks, 16 in crypto. So we got a total of 110. So that's all right for a day, one day. We're gonna check in later in the day, see where all the prices are at and stuff. But I'll talk more about the stocks I have and stuff, and then what crypto I'm counting later. But right now is just a quick update for that. We'll be going to do other stuff, but this is going to be a week-long thing, every single day checking in and leaving a counter down here to show you where the money is at, where we're at for spendings and making and everything. So it's gonna be total. So all right, guys, it is market close time. It is 4 o'clock, and we can check in on the gains right now. It is still gonna move up and down, a little bit, with a little bit of volatility in these after hours, but the majority of it is done for the day. So right now in stocks, we're looking at about 100. We're looking at exactly $134.57 in stocks gained today. So we got that. And then we have crypto is at I checked this earlier, gain of $36.66. So that total will be in the corner here. But we have had a pretty productive day, a nice chunk of change earned in both markets. And we will be looking forward to this next day. This is day one of, we're going to do 5. So we're going to do Monday through Friday for the market open days and stuff like that, and go from there. All right, guys, so we got day 2 done in the books. A little bit of a correction day here for the stock market. Pretty much saw this coming, kind of expected this because of the gains we had yesterday, but basically we lost $45.75 in the stock market, so that's after hours stuff, so it could still fluctuate. It has been trending upwards since I took these notes down, but we'll see where it goes. In the crypto market, we made another $40.77, so that almost breaks us even for today in those two markets, but we had big gains on Monday, so kind of expected to slow down in the stock market, especially with how the markets are right now. So that hopefully tomorrow we can kind of bounce back and have people buying because of this red day, even though it wasn't a big red day, but it started off super green. We started off with another 100, and it was like $120 gains day, and it just came down. So hopefully we can sustain something tomorrow. But I think I'm going to change this up for this series here, this video. So I'm not going to do every single day. I'm going to take down notes. I'm going to write down the profits and losses, and if I made any trades or anything like that, I'm going to write that down, and we will cover everything from this day forward. In the next part of the video is going to be instant for you, but it's going to be another 3 days for me. Alright, guys, so we are done with the week. It is Friday night, late Friday night right now that I'm recording this. We're going to go over everything from the previous week of trading, but I do want to kind of clarify something before we jump right into this, kind of to let you guys know a little bit more about what this was tracking and the whole idea behind this video. And if you enjoyed this video, if you want more types of content like this, let me know. Like the video and leave a comment, do something like that. So I'll continue to track my investments and make all these trades and stuff. Kind of a weekly update thing if you're really into this video and you like it. But this video is tracking my stocks and crypto only as my investments. I didn't track any real estate, anything like that. Only these two portfolios, and both of these are long-term things. I don't day trade any of these, so everything here is a long-term plan. I know the title is a flat even at $10,000 because that's more clickable, I thought, in my opinion, because I couldn't go to 15,000 because it's not up there yet that I have in portfolio stuff. So it's more around that $13,000 range, around there for both the Robinhood and crypto accounts. But like I was saying, this is a long-term thing. None of these stocks I plan on selling, 5-10 years down the road. I plan on probably holding these for 40 years up until like you're in that retirement age kind of section, and then you might sell them and use the money to do whatever you want. But for right now, I'm just focusing on long-term growth and buying blue chip companies, but I didn't end up buying any this week, but that's what we're tracking. So it's not day trading, it's not going for the most profit, it's just kind of putting money in a long term and seeing what can happen. So we saw a lot this week, a great day and a bad couple days and stuff, and we'll see if we came out on top or not. But I think I covered days 1 and 2. But just to go over that again, we have day 2 in the stocks. We actually ended up taking a loss. We lost $45.75. So not terrible. Crypto, we ended up making $40.77, so kind of balancing it out for a total of the day of only losing $4.98 during day 2, which would be Tuesday. So that's just going to be day 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, and so on and so forth for the rest of the week. Day 3 would be the stocks. This was the banging day. We went off on day 3 on Wednesday. It was stocks. We made $381.50 on Wednesday on the stock market. It was a great day, some big rally. The way the markets are right now, no one knows kind of which way the market is going any day of the week, so that was insane to see. And then crypto, we saw another huge gain within that crypto space of $477.59 for a total made on day 3 of $859.09. Which was a great day. We love seeing those numbers getting close to the $1,000 day. I think at one point we might have been at like really, really close to that $1,000 mark, like tens of dollars off of 1,000. But we kind of fluctuated down. But still, an $800 and almost $60 day is just insane to see. We got day 4. We got tough day. This was a big kind of red day, and the rest of the week for days 4 and 5 were red days, unfortunately, kind of wiping out some of the profit. But in the market we're in, we just don't know, what's going up and down any day. But day 4, we saw stocks. We saw a loss of $143.50 on day 4. And crypto, we saw a loss as well of $121.48 for a total loss of the day being $264.98. So a real tough day. Glad to have the great day of like $859 before it, because that makes this a little bit more tolerable, knowing that you lost some of the profit, but you didn't lose all of it, and you didn't even lose 50% of it, which is a great part. Kind of was expecting a correction type thing on day 4 on Thursday after we had such a good Wednesday. And it kind of happened, but it was definitely a tough day. Actually, the biggest loss of the week was on Thursday. So going into day 5 or Friday, we got stocks, another just tough red day on stocks. We ended up losing $235.55 in stocks. And crypto, we actually ended making $35.61 back, bringing it to a total loss for Friday and ending the week at negative well, we lost $199.94. So the final day of the week before markets close, crypto markets obviously still open 24/7, but stocks are closed, bringing the totals for the week, the entire week. We have a stock market fluctuation. I don't know what to call this, but the stocks, we ended up actually losing $46.30 on the week. So I don't have day one stats. I know I recorded it and it's going to be in the video and stuff. I don't know day one, but I wrote down all of my numbers for what my portfolios are worth at the end of the days. And looking back on day two, the stock portfolio from Tuesday to Friday actually only made $2 for that week. So I don't know what it was on Monday. Had a huge rallying day and ended up, kind of eating those profits away for Thursday and Friday. But the crypto market took off for us this week, making us a total of $432.49 in crypto, bringing the week's total for both the stock portfolio and crypto portfolio to $560.42. We made this week pretty decent week. Obviously, the stock market gains kind of were taken away all in 2 days. In the last 2 days, we traded red, and it was a tough end to the week, to the beginning of a week. It started with pretty good promise. Middle of the week, we took off and banged, and then we finished the week actually trading in the red. But what are you gonna do? You win some, you lose some. Should have probably bought on those red days there, but I'm really trying to buy more into Apple right now, and I just didn't see the buying opportunity, because when I'm buying right now, I want to buy within that. When it's down to about 1.5% to 2% is when I'm more comfortable buying and putting more money into these stocks in the market we're in right now. But let me just talk about the portfolio we have. The numbers are out. So for the stock market, the stocks that I have in the market right now, if Robinhood will open for me. So currently the stocks I'm in are Apple, Microsoft, Disney, a penny stock that I'm kind of playing around in that I have 100 shares in. I think it's a big play. It's either going to boom and make a bunch of money within the next 4 years, or could go to nothing, which I'm perfectly fine with losing the money I have in there, because if it booms, I'm going to make a bunch, and if it doesn't, I'm not going to lose that much. But it does have a pretty big fluctuation on the amount of money we're making right now in this account. But the other one, we have the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund and the Vanguard US REIT Fund are the two index funds that I have on this. And that's about it. I have a free share of SiriusXM that I just have sitting there because it's free. And then the $1.64 in Berkshire Hathaway, just to say I have part of the most expensive stock in the market. But those are the companies I'm involved in right now, and planning to get more shares of Apple. I really like that they came out with their earnings, and they actually beat their earnings. That came out today. They actually beat their earnings by 13%, which is good during all this stuff that's going on right now. And I think they could have pushed over $300 a share, but because the market was so red these last 2 days, I just don't think it had the opportunity to get there. Microsoft is right now the most valuable company in the world. So we got Microsoft and Apple, which are number 1 and 2 for most valuable companies in the world. So want to have a piece of that. I got into Microsoft at a pretty good time at $159 a share, and I'm probably going to dollar cost average in some more in Microsoft too. I got share numbers that I want to get to hit in Apple first, and then Microsoft, and then continue going in Disney, because I think Disney is just a huge cash cow sitting there in stocks that it's just so undervalued right now because of people being scared of theme parks being out. But I think that's such a low part of Disney's amount revenue per year, and their Disney Plus just launched, and they're making $7 billion a year off of that. So it's I think they're undervalued at where they are right now. But index fund stuff, that's about it for the stocks. and how to get into that. And the crypto was basically all I have that I tracked was Bitcoin and Litecoin. I have other coins, but I didn't track those in this video because it would have been a lot harder to do that and more time consuming. But we tracked that. We see what we make for the week, and this is pretty much passive income because you don't have to manage these types of accounts with day trades and, you know, call options, put options, doing those types of trades every single day for, you know, that 9 to 4 when the markets are open. But it could be passive. I think everyone should get into the market, should get into some crypto, some Bitcoin if they don't already have it, and then also buying blue chip stocks right now while the prices are down substantially because of this illness going around. Don't try and time the market. Just, you know, buy on a red day and be prepared to hold it for the long term, and you'll be all right. But let me know what you guys thought of this video. Just something kind of I just came up with. Thought it would be cool to kind of see. And like I said, if you guys want more of these types of videos of me kind of tracking this stuff, tracking my trades, I didn't end up making any this week, but I could do more videos like that, tracking my trades that I make and the profit and loss that they make and all that. And obviously just being, you know, transparent because it's just all in fun and tracking it and just seeing where everything goes. But guys, don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video and like this concept for more videos like this. Smash the sub button. We're on our path to 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video.